Hello, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix apps are not working properly in Windows 10. Guys, you have also a problem, apps are not working properly, and guys, our laptop and PC are so lag. And guys, how to fix this problem? Guys, first you need to click on here, type here to search and click on the settings. Then click on apps, then scroll down. You can find your all apps and applications in your PC has. You can see how you did go. Like my Insta is not working, just click on it, then click on advanced option, then scroll down and you can see this restart. If this apps is not work right, restart it, the apps data with delete it. Guys, you mind it, you can restart your all data has been deleted. You can just complete, then click on this process. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Bye guys.